Okay, I got the upper deck off. This is the part that mates onto the block. As you can see, there's a lot of crap in it. I started to wipe it down on this side and then I stopped and I thought I should just show you guys. But yeah, this leaking oil really bad. And that's where the oil pan goes, obviously. My tools are. Oh, I should have showed the pry points. I'll go and show the pry points where to pry on that thing. Yeah, not too bad. Found my light. It has like 300,000 on it. Well, 290,000. Wish I could see it on those walls a little better. Yeah, the only thing that's not coming apart, I gotta do the knock sensors yet. Oh man, so yay. I gotta take apart the top end of the motor. But I messed up when I pulled out those bolts. You gotta make sure that there's two bolts. Let's see if I'm getting this correctly. That are the very back here. There's a plate that covers this flywheel here. And you wanna make sure you take those two bolts out. Like I said, I'm not a mechanic, but yeah, I was pulling it out and then when I was inspecting it closer, I'm like, well, there has to be two bolts on because as I was applying pressure on there where I was showing you, it wasn't coming loose. So I thought it popped, it was down, I thought it was popped loose, but it wasn't. So those two bolts were the only thing holding it. Okay, that's it. And I got some wood on here from prying. I'll show you it after. I gotta clean it up.